How to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're someone that wants extra security, then having an authenticator for your Binance logins is really important. So if you want to set up your own authenticator, you have to do it in a few simple and easy steps. First off, log into your Binance account and then click on your account on the top right. Once you click on your account on the top right, you're going to find your Binance account. Then you're going to click on account on the left menu and then simply click on security. Once you click on security over here, you can see you have Authenticator app where you can use the Binance or Google Authenticator to protect your account transactions. So you're going to click on manage over here to turn this on, and then you're going to click on download Authenticator app and then enable this. And then you can link your Google Authenticator by scanning this QR code, and you can choose to copy and paste this if you want. Then you can click on next and then submit the Authenticator app code that is going to be generated on your screen on your Google Authenticator app. And just like so, your Authenticator app has been set up. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.